Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be working with Nadula hair. They went ahead and sent me this V-part unit. It is their 150 density 22-inch 5-inch parting space V-part unit, and it is super stunning. As you can see, the hair is super nice and silky, and I am loving it. If you'd like to purchase off rip, which I would highly recommend, seeing that this is a super affordable, great quality wig for a low price, the links will be in the description box. And I will not keep you guys for any longer, so let's jump into today's tutorial so I could show you how to install your V-part units from Nadula. and this is the final look. This is the wig. It is from Nadula Hair, and they went ahead and sent me a 150 density V-part unit. It is actually 5 inches worth of parting space, so it's no longer 4, so you get more length in your parts, which is perfect. It is also in 22 inches and a natural 1B color. This is the wig. It is very cute, super full, not too full or not super thick, just full enough. It would just remind me of if I probably did tape-ins or micro links with my real hair, because you know my hair is fine or on the finer side, so this definitely mimics that. It gives that. And if I ever needed to go run some errands and I just wanted to slap a wig on my head, this is definitely a staple item that I'm pretty sure every relaxed girl or every girl should have, period. Just a U-part, a nice straight U-part. It straightened really well, and it is nice and silky, feels like butter, super soft to the touch. And as you guys can see, the hair is pretty full from the ends and the tips as well, no straggly ends, and you are getting super high quality hair for a super affordable price. So definitely do not forget to go ahead and check the links in the description box if you would like to purchase this unit from Nadula. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.